The Boarding House by the River. This story is about three college freshmen, Arman, Yudi, and Salsa. Arman is the bravest, always up for new challenges. Yudi is more reserved but easily swept up in the moment. As for Salsa, she initially didn't want to go, but ended up joining them out of fear of leaving the two behind. One night, they hear a story about an empty boarding house by the river. It used to be crowded, but after a resident was found drowning in the river behind it, one by one people moved out, until the building was completely empty. Arman, full of curiosity, invited his two friends to prove whether the story is true. They don't know that night will be a night they will never forget.
The boarding house looked dark and damp. The paint on the walls was peeling, and the smell of river water wafted from the back hallway. They turned on their flashlight and stepped into the dusty hallway. Suddenly, from one of the rooms, they heard footsteps, but the door was locked tight. They looked at each other, trying to calm themselves, then continued walking. When they reached the back window facing the river, they hear a woman whisper softly, "Don't look at the water." But Arman turned his head. On the surface of the river, he saw a woman with long hair, wearing a white dress, staring at them. Her smile was sweet, but her eyes were empty. Suddenly, the sound of the water changed to a scream. The window shook, and the door to the room slammed shut, trapping them inside. Salsa screamed, and Yudi grabbed her hand, trying to escape. But Arman froze, and as if his feet were being pulled by something invisible. When the door finally opened, only Yudi and Salsa come out. Arman had disappeared, leaving only with handprint on the floor.
Since that night, the boarding house by the river remained empty. No one dared to dismantle it. No one dared to occupy it. However, the local residents believe that if you pass by the river at midnight, you should never look back at the second floor window, because who knows, someone might be standing there. Someone named Arman.